Children should be taught to avoid flushing foreign objects because prevention is faster, cheaper, and less stressful than plumbing repairs. Start by explaining to kids that toilets are designed only for toilet paper and bodily waste, and that anything else can block pipes or damage septic and sewer systems. Demonstrate what proper amounts of toilet paper look like by tearing a small strip and showing how it breaks down when stirred in water, and explain that thicker items like paper towels and wipes do not dissolve the same way. Use simple, consistent rules such as only flush paper and waste, and put everything else in the trash. And keep small items like toys, cotton swabs, wipes, facial tissues, and dental floss away from the toilet area in sealed bins or high shelves. For very young children, supervise bath and toilet time and explain the consequences in plain language. For example, a broken toilet can leave the bathroom unusable, and repairs can cost hundreds to thousands of dollars in extreme cases. Set up a routine where older children help check bathrooms at the end of the day and practice the rule verbally so it becomes habit. Reinforce the lesson with short reminders rather than long lectures, and praise responsible behavior to encourage consistent compliance. A common mistake is assuming flushable wipes and paper towels are safe to flush, which clogs drains. The fix is to always treat those items as trash and read product guidance if in doubt. Another frequent issue is toys and small objects falling into the bowl when children play nearby, so reduce risk by keeping toys out of the bathroom and using childproof lids or supervision for toddlers. A third concern is adults underestimating how much toilet paper children use, which can cause partial clogs. Teach measured amounts, model the behavior, and if a slow drain appears, act quickly with a plunger or call a plumber before it worsens. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and connect with neighbors about home care topics related to this kind of prevention. We also offer a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can exchange tips and find work opportunities.